All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and well, let's rant about body shops, particularly one. There's a body shop we do sublet work for here. We all hate them. You know, it's a body shop, so it comes with some of the most effed up stuff you're ever gonna see. Had a Civic come in with the wheel looking like that. They already put a new strut on it. They already put a new control arm on it. What could it possibly be? Yeah, it was a bent spindle. Now, admittedly, I made, good hours on it, swapping that out. 100% new parts, so it was easy as all get out. I did have to take the hub off to get the 3 screws out because I forgot to order those for the dust shield. I find a lot of body shops either have really good mechanical diagnostic techs or just garbage techs. There is no in between. Another story about that body shop is they had a Toyota come in with a, bent subframe and, priced out the subframe. They took it back. They did the subframe, brought it back here for the alignment. I did the alignment. It drove straight. It came back driving weird because they barely tightened the subframe. I guess I should have checked that, but it drove straight and my numbers were good. Whenever anybody sees that body shop go in their name, they're all like, I know there's a lot of good body shop mechanical techs out there, so if you're one of those guys, I appreciate you. Because there's a lot of really bad ones, and I've unfortunately had to deal with a lot of them. Every time I've done sublet work for them, it's either been great or horrendous. So I know this was I know this was a straight up rant, but every car they bring us is so jacked up. Anyway, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.